Ah, sweet. So today we're at Swartz Welding Custom and Fabrication, and we are creating some content for him today, and it's going very, very smoothly. We just created a nice sponsor piece for him.
So this is a little video we shot in just about like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It's gonna allow a better outlook on who he is and what the company is about, you know? That's what the whole website and even video is just being created for. It's just the new outlook and perspective on who this person is.
He was actually on Vegas Rat Rods. So we're definitely trying to play on top of that and show people that how cool of a guy he is. Here we got like the landing page, this is the home screen. And we got the hot rod king from Elmira. And then we got a nice video that we actually just made, kind of explaining what he does in his shop. And we got the Las Vegas hot rods. And this is like his actual last video that he had to send to the Discovery Channel before he got onto the show.
Thought process is I want to tailor it specifically to whoever I'm working with. So for Grant, what I included in the graphic is all of his personal pictures and for the pictures from the shows that he's done. And just incorporate them into the graphics and then just match it with this branding. Just allow people to come to his website, learn about everything about him.
We're creating a website for him. We're just finishing the last little touches. We're just connecting all the social links towards his website, so it's a nice funnel. And then we're setting up a YouTube page for him and getting it all set up.
His goal is to attract the perfect customer that fully trusts in the quality of his service. We'll bring him more clients, better quality sales, and an awesome online presence.
I think this is gonna be a very good way to like kind of explain what he does in a digital format and really show people his really nice hand craftsmanship and in a very, very unique and like visually way.
What's helpful is just to gain, you know, more in-depth exposure, right? So since for small businesses, it's hard to communicate, these videos allow them to communicate on another level, allowing audiences to learn more about them. So for example, if you have trouble reaching somebody from another city, videos is a perfect way to outreach to those different clients and audiences.
Is honesty to how he cares for each and single project and customer that he takes care of. And I think that goes a long way when in any type of business, and it shows in all of his work. And I think that's the number one that makes him like so much better than everyone else. Working closely on site with our clients builds a trusting relationship and provides us with a clear understanding of who we are working with. This process allows us to finish these projects in 1 to 2 days.
Just capturing his energy in his natural environment. That's why it's the best to work alongside him today. It's just capturing, you know, the raw moments of him in his natural habitat.